This is the BV4500 with a 99-3204 nose. This is the nose adapter retaining nut, collet, anvil, nose retaining nut, and lock nut. First, we're going to remove the nose adapter. Then the next step, we're going to tighten the collet onto the ball screw. Next step, we will thread the nose adapter back on. Next step, we will slide the anvil onto the collet. The next step, we will place this retaining nut over the nose.
Good stuff.
And we want to bottom out as far as we can go. Then we will tighten this retaining nut forward. So the final step is to hold the lock nut in place and tighten the retaining nut.